Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools using Google Cloud. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a Google Cloud account. Log in to your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the AI and Machine Learning section in the menu. Familiarize yourself with the various AI tools offered, such as AutoML and Vertex AI. Determine the specific AI solution you want to optimize based on your project requirements. Collect and pre-process the data that your AI ensure that your dataset is clean and representative of your target problem. Upload your dataset to Google Cloud Storage for easy access. Set up a Google BigQuery environment if your dataset requires complex queries. Choose the appropriate AI model according to your objectives. If using AutoML, begin by configuring your model specifications in the interface. For custom models, leverage Vertex AI to train your model using your dataset. Select the training parameters, including epochs and learning rates. Monitor the training process for issues or anomalies. Once training is complete, validate your model using a subset of your data. Evaluate the model's performance metrics, such as accuracy and precision. Iterate on your model by tuning hyperparameters for improved results. Explore Google Cloud's tools for debugging and optimizing your model. Deploy the optimized model into a production environment using Vertex AI. Set up an API endpoint for your AI tool to facilitate real-time predictions. Integrate the model with your application or system for seamless functionality. Regularly monitor the model's performance post-deployment for any necessary adjustments. Utilize Google Cloud's auto-scaling feature to manage resource needs efficiently. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI tools from Google Cloud. Document your optimization processes for future reference and scalability. Consider collaborating with a data scientist for complex optimization tasks. Periodically review your strategy and update your models as needed to maintain efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.